My name is Ngozi. I'm making this video from the United States of America. In 2021, I went to see my GP for a general checkup. I was given a series of tests to run, which I did. And the tests came up with multiple afflictions, including heart problem, high blood pressure, high cholesterol. I rejected these options and came back to the altar of fire and prayed. While I was in the altar of fire, one day, the man of God said, irregular heartbeat. And he said, by the power that raised Jesus from the dead, I reverse it.
Irregular heartbeat, by the power that raised Jesus from the dead, let it be reversed.
And I claimed it and continued to pray with it. Then the doctor scheduled me for a surgery because my pulse was reading 150 instead of between 60 and 80. He had to ask me to come in for an emergency surgery, which I did. And on the day of the surgery, I went for procedure. I had already been dressed for surgery, and the doctors were watching and waiting for the doctor to come and do the surgery. After a while, the doctor told me, sister, we are not going to carry out this heart surgery. And I demanded to know why. I asked her if it was because my blood pressure was high. She replied no, that they cannot do surgery on a normal heart, that my heart was normal. The heart that was racing was normal. I remembered what the man of God said, and I started to thank God. I praised God. After that period, I have two cardiologists. The younger one referred me to the senior one, and each time I go for appointment, they will tell me that I have beautiful heart, that my heart is beautiful. So I want to thank God that the Lord has healed me. My second testimony is cancer of the breast on my right breast. I went for mammogram, and the mammogram came out and they sent me for biopsy. I went for biopsy. They discovered that there were cancer cells. One day, the man of God said, cancer of the breast.
The help of the Lord is visiting women with breast cancer. Women with breast cancer. Women with breast cancer.
And I claimed it and continued to pray with it. So I was operated upon, and later I was sent back to do another biopsy, which I did on another appointed day. And the result came out that there were no cancer cells any longer. I want to thank God that because I am the woman the Lord has remembered, what God cannot do
does not exist.
Pastor J. Rose, you are a man of our generation. The Lord will continue to bless you. I join others to say that the oil on your head, or the rivers of oil, or the refineries of oil on your head will never run dry.
Amen.
NSPPD, celebrate our God. Celebrate. Celebrate.